Ever have a bad day, or a bad 2 days, or a bad night and a bad morning? I just got off work. I'm not going to say I've had a bad night and a bad morning. I've had some challenges. And I decided I'm not going to accept it being that way. I'm going to change a couple things. So the things that are out of my control right now, or that are not my responsibility, I'm going to stop doing them. I'm going to stop humoring them. I'm going to stop even engaging or acknowledging them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take on some projects that I know I can accomplish. Simple, small goals. And when I get those done, I can turn this negative little period of time, or not positive period of time, however you want to look at it, I can turn it into productive, successful, and accomplished. That's my goal. That's what I'm going to do. So if you're seeing this and you're like me right now and things have been rough, find something simple you can accomplish. See if it doesn't make you feel a little bit better about things, a little bit more in control of your situation, and hopefully it enables you to have a good rest of your day. All right, I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.